Next up, guys, really nice day cab truck, 2016 Peterbilt, 579, rust-free, extremely clean. Cummins diesel motor, automatic transmission. This one is set up with the wet kit and PTO. Rubber is in excellent shape, probably as nicer rubber as we got on any of these trucks. Air ride suspension, air sliding fifth wheel. Truck's got right around 205,000 miles on it. I think it's got 16,500 hours or so. Headache rack's all polished up. Interior of this truck, guys, when you sit in it and you're driving it, you can tell somebody was taking care of it, because it's really nice, really clean. Interior's not beat up. Chrome bumper on the front, air driver seat. It's had a good maintenance program. There's actually a few of these trucks that came in together. So I'm here with Mike. He'll fire it up, give you a nice demo. Starts right up there, guys. Yeah, it's got the good Cummins diesel in it. It's an automated style transmission in these, which is nice, especially for grain haulers. This is the kind you can just have anybody jump in and take off with the trailer. Air lines, white kit lines, all that looks to be very good. Buzzes around the lot really well. Horn works. There's a quick demo, guys. 2016 Peterbilt 579. This is as nice of a day cab as we've had in. So good luck, guys, at the auction time and Old 20 Auctions.